Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Hamilton and today we're going to be talking all about Solana meme coins. What are they? Where do they come from? How do you buy them? And all of the processes that come along with that. We're also going to be highlighting a meme coin that I think has massive upside potential, okay? And I'm definitely going to be getting involved with this thing. So, of course, quick disclaimer before we do start. This is not financial advice. Do all of your own research, but I hope you do get some value from this video. Let's jump into this. So we could talk about the history of meme coins all day long. They started on Ethereum, now they're on Solana, and they are on many other blockchains as well. But purely, I'm talking about how to get involved for you right now, okay? And right now, it is Solana. Solana is the place where meme coins are thriving. So let's just talk about how to actually get involved here from a complete beginner's perspective, all right? So if we are looking at Solana here, you obviously know what Solana is. It's like Ethereum. It's just a lot faster, okay? And it is where the meme coins are, all right? If you are looking to pick up some Solana, you can do it on any exchange, of course. But in order to buy a lot of these meme coins at low prices before they're listed on exchanges, then because that's obviously how you make the most money, then you're gonna need a Solana wallet. Getting a Solana wallet is super easy, okay? Check out Phantom in the description, okay? This is the most used Solana wallet out there, and it's very, very easy to set up, okay? So again, you literally just download the wallet and put it onto your browser as an extension, okay? And then from that point, you'll be greeted with a screen that says create new wallet, all right? So you're going to create a password, okay? You're going to get a seed phrase and a recovery phrase, right? So your secret recovery phrase, you're going to want to write down on some paper, okay? And then you go to the next screen and then you put in that recovery phrase again, okay? This way, you'll have access to this seed phrase and this recovery phrase anywhere you go. If you do download it to a new computer or your computer gets fried, you can then use that recovery phrase to get all of your assets back on the new computer, okay? So fantastic stuff there. But yeah, super, super simple. Exactly the same on mobile as well. You download the app, okay? You put in your seek recovery phrase, and then, as it says here, you are all done and you are good to go, okay? So that is creating a wallet. Once you've got your wallet in your browser, it will actually appear in your extensions area of your browser, okay? I'm pretty sure you know where that is. It's usually in the top right, okay? And when you are buying stuff, of course, you're going to get a little pop-up from that wallet saying, hey, yes, sign this transaction, yes, buy this coin, etc. But make sure you are buying the coin on the specified sites. So like Uniswap, like Radium, okay, if it is Solana, Radium is usually where you are going to swap. Or if they have the widgets on the websites, then you can use that as well to essentially just buy straight off the website with your wallet extension, okay? Seems pretty complicated, but very, very straightforward. We'll actually throw this link in the description as well for you guys to just do this step by step, but it is available on the Phantom website as well, okay? So we've talked a little bit about meme coins, but now it's time for my pick here. And my pick today is going to be LuckyBoo. This thing is at a just blindingly low market cap, and it just looks like it is poised to absolutely bang it. So definitely check this one out in the description, okay? You can get LuckyBoo very, very easily, okay? So this thing is available on Bird Eye. Bird Eye is very similar to Radium. It's just a lot quicker, and the fees are a lot more efficient just generally as a trader. I can say that, right? What we will say with this coin is, yes, it does look simple. If you are a traditional investor, this might look crazy, okay? But this is actually a really nice site for a meme coin, okay? They've put a lot of work into this, you can see. They've got a beautiful little walk map here, okay? So the dog going on a walk. This is purely the culture of meme coins, and these guys have done this exceptionally well. So I think it's got massive viral potential, and that's really how you have to measure these coins with their success, okay? So what we will say with this thing is, if we look at the Luckynomics or the tokenomics, right, we can see this, I believe, is over, okay? But that, yes, they had a pre-sale of 5%, all right? Yes, they do have this airdrop as well that has just happened, and we do have liquidity at 10%. 10% liquidity is really, really good. Typically, you want between 5 and 15% when you you are launching a coin for liquidity, and this just helps stabilize the price as people buy and sell, okay? Marketing, they have 45% of the supply just ready for marketing, and this is great because this allows for people that market the coin to actually get a bit of supply here. So that's fantastic that they've got this, okay? They're featured in many different news outlets here, so you've got Cointelegraph, CoinDesk, just to name a few, CoinGecko as well on there. Fantastic to see that. And if we do look at the audit, so the security side for this coin, we can see that yes, it is green across the board, okay? No issues at all here, and that's what you want to see when you are looking at a coin like this, okay? If we head over to the socials, we can see 8,000 followers, okay, pretty decent engagement as well, particularly for a new coin like this. And the memes here and the content creation, again, a massive cornerstone when it comes to meme coins is the content creation, right? So if you've got good content, you've got that good graphics designer and video editor, then yes, your meme coin is very likely to do well. And these guys have done this fantastically, if I do say so myself, all right? So good stuff. Definitely check these guys out. And now let's just summarize what we're doing here, right? So we have LuckyBoo. I've taught you basically how to get meme coins, how to get Solana, how to get your wallet going, and then when you want to buy this, all you have to do is essentially connect your wallet and buy on the site, or you can go to Bird Eye and directly buy on there as well. Okay, so you can see here that we do have the chart. It does look pretty decent for a pump fairly soon. Okay, criminally low market cap here, which is fantastic for gains. Okay, so if this thing went up to $1 billion market cap like Doge or something like that, we're talking about ridiculous gains here. Okay, 100x, 1000x gains coming through. Okay, buying it very simple. Again, you just connect your wallet here, okay, and you swap for the amount of tokens that you would like. All right, but that is pretty much LuckyBoo. In summary, this coin is fantastic, and in summary, we have talked a lot about various different meme coins and my pick for the day here. And yes, you should definitely check this out in the description. All right, so I will see you guys in the next video. Have a fantastic day. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think of this project, and leave a like. Help support the channel. All right, cheers. Have a fantastic one.